Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we will see that how can we apply subtitles in Wondershare Filmora. So subtitles are the text that is actually showing to us. It is the same as what is being said in a video format. It is essentially easier for people who are watching the video in a second language to understand, or if the video in some other language, then if you want to understand what's going on, you can just read the subtitles. Okay, so how do we apply these subtitles into a video? This is what we will see in this one. Process is pretty simple. It is just like the text that I've been applying up till now, but with a twist, a little bit of a twist. Okay, so how do we do that? First of all, just select the video on which you want to apply the subtitles. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to this titles option. In this, there are different formats of the text available to me, and one such is the subtitles. So if you go there, these are the different options, different formats of the subtitles. You can just click on any one of them and see its preview. If you just play it, you can see the preview. Okay, like this. Just select the format you are most happy with, drag and drop it here, increase its duration. Either we can just right click and increase its duration, or we can just scroll all the way to the last frame of the title and drag it all the way till here the video is there. Okay, so if you just play it, now some lorem ipsum or some random text is there, but if you just double click here, there would be a position format through which you can just change its position. So let's just bring it towards the bottom middle, and we can type in our text. So let me just type in subtitle text like this and click on OK. So yeah, that was subtitle text for the first one also. Actually, I can remove this, so only subtitle text is showing right now. If you want, I can just increase its scale a bit so that you can see it, that how it is looking now. Subtitle text like this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.